my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the magic and power of burning Loban. Now, it's also known as Benzoin in English, but I'm going to kind of refer to it as Loban because that's how I know it. That's how I've always known it as. Just know that I am talking about the herb called Benzoin. So if you guys happen to be new on my channel, I want to say again that I have an enormous belief in the power and magic of herbs and oils in our everyday lives. I feel like they impact us in such a huge way naturally, and they're gifts from Mother Nature herself. Because it's so exciting for me, I started an entire series on my channel where I talk about herbs and oils and their benefits on our bodies, in our lives, both medicinally, magically, spiritually, and all that. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So what is Loban? Loban in the English term is known as gum benzoin. It comes from the gum benzoin tree bark. The resin smells very strongly of vanilla, and that's how you know that you have the pure benzoin or the pure Loban, is because you're gonna smell strong vanilla scents in it. It's very highly used by Buddhist monks and Hindu priests during religious ceremonies and prayers. So here I have a big giant box of Loban incense, and these I got from my local Indian store. They are by the brand Hem. I will leave it linked down below if you guys are interested. It's very inexpensive. You get 6 packs in here, and each pack has 20 incense sticks. They smell really good, very heavy vanilla scent, and they burn amazing. This pack was $7.99, so you get all this incense sticks for $7.99. That's a steal. So I will leave it linked down below if you guys are interested. You can also get the resin or the little crystals that you can burn at your house, and I will talk about all the reasons why it's so good to burn this in your home. But you can get the resins, which I will leave linked down below as well. So in the Indian culture, Loban is used to purify the air. The scent of Loban, when it is burned, it's really good to enhance your memory. It's also known to bring creativity and inspiration. So it's a really good herb to burn for artists. It's also known to clear the mind and reduce anxiety. It's burned to drive away evil eye, and it's burned to push out negativity. It's a very, very protective and strong herb to purify your home, your energy, your aura, your environment. It heavily increases your focus and concentration. So if you guys are having like exams or you're studying for a test, this is a really good herb to burn while you're studying. It's also known to bring very, very good luck to those who burn it. It promotes feelings of peace within you, peace within the environment, within the home. It just brings about such a peaceful mind, very positive thoughts. It drives away the negative thoughts in your mind. Burn it in each room of your house to purify the area and get rid of any evil. The vanilla scent of it is very uplifting, and as soon as you smell it, you just feel better. It enhances your mood. It like instantly you can feel a shift in the energy around you, in the energy inside of you. It's a very powerful herb to lift your spirits. The oil, if you happen to get benzoin oil or Loban oil, is really good for asthma and coughing and mucus. It loosens up the mucus, and when you rub it on your chest, it's really good for colds and flus and fevers. It's an herb that stimulates your mind when you burn it, and it provides a lot of tranquility. Tranquility within yourself, your mind, your thoughts, with the people around you, with the people in your home. Anytime that I feel like there's just a buildup of negative energy in my home or within myself, I like to burn Loban. And as soon as it gets going and the scent is in the air with the smoke, and it's just so peaceful, the environment becomes so tranquil and serene, and it's a very beautiful energy after I burn Loban in my home or around me. It's actually used to open up the heart chakra. Loban holds the energy of the sun and of fire. It's a very warm scent. It's a very warm energy. It comforts the nerves and it soothes your soul, and you can really get that from just the scent alone. And it's also widely used to get rid of bad spirits and negative spirits in your home or around you, in your office, wherever you feel like there's negative energy and bad spirits. You burn Loban. That's like the first thing that I go to anytime I feel like there's low vibrations around me or I just don't feel too good. I'll burn Loban. So these are all the reasons that burning Loban is such a beautiful thing to incorporate into your life. I especially love burning the incense just because I can't really get my hands on the resin or the crystals until like I order it online. Even then you have to be careful because sometimes it's not like authentic, and it has to smell strongly of vanilla, and that's how you know that it's authentic. If you guys are interested in more videos like this about herbs and oils and their benefits and properties in your life, both medicinally, magically, I have a bunch of videos on my channel, and I have a bunch coming out. So make sure that you are subscribed so you're not missing out. And go through my channel, browse through my channel, pick which one sticks out to you, watch that. Maybe there's an herb that you've been drawn to and you might find it on my channel to learn more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!